everyone, and welcome back to Norigami. In this week's video, I will be teaching you how to make a simple DIY paw print keychain and some tips and tricks to go with it. So, hope you enjoy! I will be using Senna UV resin. I recommend this one because this type of resin works very well for me. You can use any type of resin, but I would recommend that. So, what you will need is a silicone mixing cup, a spoon, a silicone mold, resin mold, any type of mold, a silicone stick or any type of stick or spoon, and your UV resin or normal epoxy resin. So, for safety, we will be using gloves and wipes. So make sure to get your mold ready and get it cleaned and all wiped up. I will be using pigment, or you can use alcoholic colors. So I will be using the paw print mold, but it's up to you what mold, and some glitter and sparkles. Okay, first get your silicone cup. Add the amount of resin you need. I've already done this keychain many times, so I know around a quarter to half a cup. Now add any color pigment you like. I'm using green grass. I would like a nice bright green color. Remember, only add 1 drop of pigment. When mixing this, you can either have a transparent color or a nice opaque color. Make sure to mix it well. Now I added a drop of white pigment to make it a nice green opaque color. You might want to repeat this step once or twice to get that opaque color that you like. Mine was a bit transparent, so I repeated it another time. So, I only did this twice. As you can see, I got a nice pastel green. Make sure to wipe all equipment when using. Now, you may use a pipette. Since I will be using it, I have small details and parts of the mold because I'll just be careful by not putting too much. I'm putting 1.5 milli since I know the exact measurement for the small detail of paw print. So put that and then start inserting your resin. Make sure to pop any air bubbles. We will come across that later in the video. So now you can see I have finished adding my resin. For any air bubbles, try and tap the mold down or just pop it with a toothpick or any type of stick. for 2 minutes. While that's curing, I still have some left over and I can pour that into my other mold. Now I will cure this one too. So here is the finished curing mold. Since I don't pour all the resin at the same time, because I want different colors, I cure it for 4 minutes, one from the front, and then I flip the mold over to make sure it is perfectly solid. You can repeat this step to get the best quality of pieces. Now, I would like to add a nice white opaque color, so I will pour the amount of resin because I will be layering. Now I will add a few drops of white pigment, not too much. Make sure to mix it well. I was very happy with the colors that I have produced. Now I will pour it into the mold. While pouring, make sure to do it carefully. Now I will let it cure for 2 minutes. And you can also cure your mold. While that's curing, my other mold has been cured. This can be used for earrings and jewelry because it was very hard to put a keychain. You'll see later on in the video. Now this has finished curing. It is all solid now. I would like to decorate mine with some green flowers and some stars to match it with the theme. You can decorate this with anything you like. Glitter or sparkles or even sprinkles, or a flower or a leaf. I'm not adding too much because I will be layering some. I've kind of changed around. As you can see, I've added some gold stars too. Make sure to squeeze out the resin before putting it because, as you can see, everything will just move from its place. Fixed position. Now add some, but try not to fill it to the top. You can if you like, but I'm not filling it to the top because I want to layer and add some more things onto it. Make sure to cover all areas. Now cure this for 2 minutes. Now, while it's curing, let's get back to the air bubbles. as you can see, this piece doesn't have any air bubbles, but it was very hard to add a keychain onto it. Like I said, it is to be used for jewelry better, for earrings or necklaces, or even charms. Now always keep your area clean and tidy when working. As you can see, you can cure your mold here to clean it. It's better instead of wiping it. As you can see here, there was an air bubble. So it was better to use like a blowtorch at the top, so you can bring all the air bubbles to the top of the mold. And for this, never cure this under a light, a UV light. Just leave it and all the resin will fall to the bottom. Then you can just squeeze it out and wipe it. Here is the cured piece. As you can see, I haven't filled it to the top. I would like to add some more sparkles and glitter, and maybe a sticker in the middle, because it would be weird just leaving a huge space in the middle. So I'm adding a bit more glitter, one heart there. Now I will add a sticker in the middle so it can look prettier. You can add anything you like. So here is a cute sticker, a cute dog with a raindrop on its head. Make sure your stickers don't have a white outline. You can leave it like that, but I like transparent stickers. This one is not really transparent, but it's okay. It will still work. Now, add your resin on top. Make sure to fill it to the very top. I took a bit of time here to make sure it is to the very top. Now cool this for 2 minutes. So while it's cooling, this is a cured remaining resin. So you can just cure it and pop it out of the mold. You can either use it or just throw it away. And then take a wet wipe or a damp cloth and just wipe it all out. You can also wash this with water and soap to remove all the small parts. For my other one, as you can see, it has nothing in it because I washed it well with water and soap. Now we have our cured piece. This is going to be exciting. This mold is very easy to remove. Wow, it's very cute. Hope yours turned out as well. You can also see the layering. Now, since I don't want to leave it like this, I would like to make it into a keychain. So I'm going to be drilling at the top with this drill. I have linked a nice beginner kit which includes all these things, the drill and some other molds too. So this drill comes with many things. Make sure to check the link down below in the box. So now I will drill at the top since I want my keychain to be coming from the top. Now I will fast forward this because it took me quite a while to get it. You can either get the electronic one where it just drills very fast with a press of a button. This one is a manual one, so it took a few minutes. But it was worth it. twist it into place like a screw. Make sure it is twisted well so it doesn't fall out. Now I will add my keychain. I use a small ring to attach the chain to it. Now you can either use like small types of pliers. So use this type of tool to hold the ring in place, and then use another set of pliers to close it into place. I will then close this again using the pliers to make sure it is well attached. There we go. Now you have your wonderful, adorable, cute paw print keychain. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye!